Go through the steps for selling probate property. In my book, Selling Probate Property, a how-to guide for saving thousands of dollars, I go through the different steps for selling a probate property. And this book is now on Amazon.com. If your property is not in a trust, then the title is probably in the decedent's name. You will need to hire a probate attorney, and you'll have to probate the property. The total length of probate may be 6 to 18 months or longer. The probate attorney will file a petition for a probate case with the court, and this is where the will comes into play. The will is then presented to the court. It's part of the documents that are filed. If there isn't a will, then the attorney will fill out the form nominating someone in the family, maybe it's you, to be the personal representative. All these other documents get filed with the court, and a notice of order for hearing goes out. And at this time, the probate court sends out notices to all the creditors, spouse, children, heirs, sometimes the Department of Health Services. Typically, it's a minimum of 15 days before the hearing. You're probably wondering, how does the Department of Health get involved? If your loved one or decedent was in a nursing home prior to passing away, the nursing home may have filed a lien against the house in order to collect for the expenses for staying in the nursing home. They use a publication like a newspaper, the old-fashioned way, and they publish it in the newspaper this hearing 2 weeks before, and it's usually right in with the foreclosures. And the notice is put out there publicly for anybody that has a claim to step forward and approach the probate court and the judge. So the time from opening the probate case to the court hearing is about 1 to 3 months typically. At the court hearing, the judge will then declare if they believe the will is a legal and valid document, or if there is no will, the judge will begin writing the will for the family. Once the judge feels confident that all the assets and liabilities have been brought forth in the court, letters will be issued to the personal representative, or in some states it's called the executor. Your CPA or accountant may advise you to have a time of death appraisal. The IRS and Department of Revenues in some states want to make sure that they are able to collect all the taxes due, if there are any taxes due. There may not be. And now the personal representative can list the house for sale. If you found this video helpful, please like it. And once again, you can find Selling Probate Property, a how-to guide for saving thousands of dollars on Amazon.com. Thank you.